This is John Ashworth with J-Design Graphics, here to show you a little tutorial about uploading 360 camera footage to Google Street View. So if you just type in Street View Upload or Studio, let's go with that, into Google, you'll find yourself seeing an upload page where you can actually add your 360 video files. That's a .360 file that a 360 camera, such as produced by GoPro and others, can record. You want it to be at least 5K resolution, or maybe 4K, but the 3K function on the GoPro cam is not going to be good enough, so you need to use at least 5K. And then once you've done that, you can upload it. And what's amazing is that I just did my first one, and as you can tell here, they uploaded it, or I uploaded it on the 1st of November, and it actually was already processed by November 4th. So it's actually very simple to do, and as you can see here at Judson University, I recorded from the trail to the point, as we call it, Judson, where there's a little kayak dock and other amenities and a trail along the Judson campus, all along the path there that previously had not been recorded. And I wanted to test this out, and sure enough, it worked. So I just want to show you how easy it is to be able to do that. So as you can see here is my helmet that I had the GoPro camera mounted to. This is from July of 2023, and I can hit Google View on Google Maps, or I already have it open here. This is another shot. There's the Judson bike shop from someone else. And as you can see here on the left, it even mentions the creator of the footage. Maybe for the next round I'll try to edit the footage so it's a little more bright and beautiful. If it's a darker day, you want to make sure to record in the visible months of the year, so that there's not snow and all kinds of other things on the ground. But let's move a little bit further down along this route and see what it did. Okay, someone else, I guess, already recorded that. May of 2023. There's me again on the bike, the helmet. Oh, this is so funny. I'm so glad it worked out. And we're approaching the second sign. Again, make sure you record in places close to you where the car cameras can't reach. And now this is obviously a case where it can, but the route that I'm about to go on, I believe, goes just down this way. Yeah, that's where I hopped the curb. See, they don't do that with the car. And this is so cool. And I went down the trail that a car typically doesn't reach. And let's go back all the way to the point. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there's the trail. And then here is the view from the point, and so forth. So this is really a cool tool to show how simple it can be for us to be able to build content. Here's the bike shop's little kayak shed for the point, and the old fence. So thank you very much for watching this video. This has been J-Design Graphics on how to create a Google Street View tutorial. Have a great day.